This is a detailed OEM case study prepared by Haifeng Machinery sales team. Seaports are one of the busiest places in the world, where thousands of containers are loaded and unloaded every day. To handle this massive amount of cargo, seaport operators require highly efficient and reliable equipment. One such equipment is the gantry gate, which is responsible for moving containers from the ship to the port and vice versa. It operates on electricity and requires a stable power source to operate efficiently. In the absence of a reliable power grid, diesel generators can be used to power the gantry gate. One client approached our sales team and requested to manufacture custom diesel generator solutions that ensure uninterrupted power supply. They also requested us to select diesel engine for us to ensure reliability and efficiency. Those generators would be installed in a separate area adjacent to the gantry gates, which is high up in the air. They are connected to the gantry gate, which is controlled by an automated system. This is one of the deepest customized solutions that we provide to our customers. Our engineering team started by developing a blueprint of the solution, taking into account the requirements of gantry gate. They also consider the materials, manufacturing processes, and assembly techniques. The production starts by cutting metal to the required sizes and shapes. This is done using CNC machines to ensure high precision. Metal sheets are then bent to create the required angles and shapes. We also have welding workshop to join metal pieces together in order to assemble the generator components. Then we created the custom silent enclosures. The air inlet, outlet and wind scoop ventilation are all custom made for the gantry gate. Metal materials not only need to be strong and durable but also be protected. This is achieved through a coating process that involves sanding and painting. Gantry gates are exposed to harsh environmental conditions, including saltwater and high levels of humidity. To protect these structures from corrosion, a custom paint is used. When all the materials are ready, we can start assembling process. As per our customer's request, we sourced the Cummins QSK series diesel engine as well as Stanford alternators. We also make recommendations about generator parts to ensure reliability. Once all the components are manufactured, they are assembled into a complete diesel generator. The generator is also subjected to testing to suit customer need. In the end, let's take a closer look together about the finished product. From this video, we hope you learned more about our diesel generator product today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can receive more helpful content about power generators. Thank you.